Hello, welcome to the Learning Hub. My name is Ankit and today we will learn how to create a one-sided shadow text effect inside of Photoshop. So let's get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe our channel, the Learning Hub. And let's get started. So first of all, we will create a new file by pressing Ctrl and N on the keyboard. Here I will name it text and hit enter. Okay, first of all, we will click on this lock button to unlock the background layer, and we will double click in here and rename it to BG. If we'll double click on that, it will open blending option and layer styles. So we will go under the gradient overlay and we will create a gradient over here. So I have selected black and gray color over here. You can choose whatever you want, but it looks very similar to me. So instead of linear, I'll go with the radial. Hit OK and scale it a little bit. Click on OK. So here we have created the background. After that, we will type a letter here. Press T button on your keyboard. Click anywhere you want and type a letter. I will type A. Okay, and hit Ctrl plus T on the keyboard and make it bigger in size. Hit enter. Come over here. I'll make it 0. And I will choose a text. I have Justice League text, if you know about that. I will select that and select it, Ctrl A and make it center vertically and horizontally. Press Ctrl D. Now the fun begins. So what you have to do is we have to create two copies of the text and we have to make it a perspective that it should look like one side center is coming in towards us. So we have to create a perspective view. So how will we create that is we will make a copy of that, but before that make sure that you have rasterized the layer by right clicking on that, and we will take a marquee tool from here, rectangular marquee tool, and what you have to do is we have to select from the center. Okay, very much fine. Now right click over here and say that layer via copy or layer via cut. That's it. That was the most important part of this tutorial. So now come back to the beginning and select any one layer and just move it a little bit. So press Ctrl T and hit Ctrl and Shift on the keyboard and then select this vertex over here and take it downwards. I will take it to 20.6. Okay, now the same with the bottom one, 20.6. Enter. Now select another layer, same thing, press Ctrl T, hit Ctrl and Shift on the keyboard, hold the vertex and take it down 20.6 or 20.4, doesn't matter, but we have to be precise about that, and hit enter. So now we have created a text mostly. So now what we'll do is first of all we'll create a group of that. Press Ctrl G, go inside the group, select the first layer and set a color over here, color overlay. Click on the color overlay. I will select a red color, yeah, kind of oranges. Okay, and hit OK. Select another layer, same thing, click on color overlay, but click over here and take it a little downwards. Okay, that will make a difference. So hit OK and again OK. Come over here and click on right click and you can say convert to smart object. Again Ctrl T, I'll make it a little smaller, hit enter and take it a little above the ground. Again we will type something. 1-sided shadow. We will come over here. We'll set it to Arial normal. Around, I'll make it big. Make it 18. Increase a little bit. And I guess I will change the color as well. Okay. Hit OK and go to the one-sided shadow. Double click on the text layer and I will select drop shadow. Over here, decrease the opacity. Not tweak that much. And one more thing I'd like to do here is we will create an ellipse. Okay, it should be black in the color. It is. Go to here, right click, rasterize the layer, go to filter, go to blur, select the Gaussian blur. I will select it to keep it up to 12. Okay, and if you want you can decrease the opacity if you want, and if you want to change that you can just hit Ctrl T and you can tweak that anytime you want. Going to down a little bit. I'll decrease the opacity a little bit and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe our channel.